How to download Fortnite on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download Fortnite on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, after you open App Store, in the search field at the top, you'll have to search for Fortnite. Alright, after you search the application for Fortnite, you can easily find that application on App Store. So right now I am not getting that application because of my region problem. So if you are on that region that will provide or support this game, you can easily tap on that game option, and from there you can easily tap on the option get to install the Fortnite on your iPhone. And there is also another method, like you can also install this application from Epic Games. So for that, open up the Chrome browser and you have to just search for the Epic Game download for iOS. Alright, as you can see, the Epic Game Store is only available for European Union customers. So if you are that customer, you can easily install this application on your iPhone or iOS, and after you install that application, you can directly install that Fortnite games on your iPhone from there. So these are the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.